Fiona, what are you doing? Are you taking notes while your daddy cooks dinner? Fiona, say cheese, smile. Hey, pretty girl. Who has a double ear infection right now? Fiona, you making notes? Taking notes. Stand like a big girl. Look at her standing on this stool. She climbed up all by herself. There's Bailey, sniffing around for some crumbs. Fiona, what are you doing? Talk to the camera.
Fiona.
So serious. So serious.